Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the cabinet light cover lens on your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw to release the cabinet light access cover. You can now bend the retaining tabs outward to remove the old lens. Install the new light cover lens by positioning the smooth side facing the cover, then bend the retaining tabs in to hold it in place. Realign the cover and secure it with the screw. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your microwave oven should be ready for use.